In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Shopify payments. If you're a Shopify store owner looking to turn off this payment option, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process, ensuring you understand everything clearly to make the transition as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to start on your Shopify homepage. This is your central hub for managing your online store, and it's where most of your adjustments will begin. From here, direct your mouse to the bottom left corner where you'll find the Settings option. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of settings that you can manage. These control various aspects of your store, so it's handy to know where everything is. Once you're inside the settings, your next stop is the Payments section. It's here that you'll have the ability to manage all payment-related settings for your store. Click on Payments, and you'll be taken to a page that lists all the payment methods you currently support. This page displays options for both activating and deactivating payment providers, giving you a full overview of what your customers can use to purchase products. Now, let's focus on the section called Supported Payment Methods. This part of your payments page is key. It details both the active and available payment gateways you can offer to your customers. If Shopify Payments is active, you'll be able to manage it from here. However, if you notice it doesn't appear, it might mean it hasn't been set up yet. Typically, to deactivate Shopify Payments, you would locate it in this list, then click on it to explore more options. In many cases, a button or checkbox will allow you to turn the payment provider on or off. If you don't see this, ensure that you had previously set up the method, as deactivation options generally appear only when a method is actively enabled. It's also worth mentioning that before deactivation, consider if you have alternative payment gateways set up. Losing a payment method could impact your sales if no alternatives are available. Therefore, ensuring that you have other payment options like PayPal or third-party credit card processors ready to go is essential. Once you've ensured everything is in place and you've deactivated Shopify Payments from your checkout, double-check that the changes have saved. You can do this by visiting your store as a customer would, proceeding to checkout, and confirming that Shopify Payments is no longer listed as an option. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to deactivating Shopify Payments. Remember, managing payment settings is an important part of running a successful online store, so always make sure you're comfortable with any changes you make and that they align with your business needs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.